How to fix the camera access on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is your solution guy Bimal. In today's video, I will simply show you the way on how you can fix the camera access on your Snapchat app. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, now make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So I assume the issue over here is that you have opened Snapchat, but then it's not being able to access the camera because the permissions are likely denied, and you've been trying to figure out how you can enable the camera access for the Snapchat app. If that is the case, make sure to watch this video till the end because I will show you how you can actually fix it very easily. So first and first, what we want to do is we will go ahead and simply launch the settings app on our phone, be it Android or iOS. Once you launch the settings app, you want to go ahead and then simply tap on the option called apps. So once you go to apps over here we will simply go ahead and look for the app called Snapchat. So simply go ahead and then find Snapchat on the list of all these apps. Once you find Snapchat, simply tap on it. Now what you have to do is at the very top, you'll find this button under notifications tab which says permissions. So all you have to do is to basically tap on permissions, and as soon as you tap on permissions, right over here you can see two sections, the allowed and not allowed. And in order to give the Snapchat app our camera access, all we have to do is tap on camera and make sure that it is set to allow. So you basically have three options which says don't allow, ask every time, or to allow. But what we will do is we will tap on allow button which says allow while using the app, which means the Snapchat app will likely be able to now use the camera permissions. So let me also just go ahead and verify that within the Snapchat app. If I go ahead and show you, let me switch to the front camera. As you can see, now it is working perfectly just fine. And this is how you can fix and actually give the Snapchat app the camera permissions on your phone. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.